Hey guys, this is a quick audio test to see if my voice actually can record here, because I don't want to use the annoying chat system. Gonna do some Pixelgun gameplay over some commentary. This is gonna be my first commentary video on Pixelgun. Not that I haven't used the clan chat before. Yeah, I have used the clan chat before to talk. As you can see here, it actually scared off one of my best players, Tony. He ran away. Okay, is this guy online? No. Go subscribe to him. It's Sloth Turtle Gaming. Okay. Aztec Temple. Let's go. Let's win something. Oh, I am still using the Wizard Wand. I haven't played this game in a while. I haven't uploaded anything nor done anything in a while. That's because of 7th grade. I just got into it now. Missed the first few days. So on my first day, I got like a massive pile of homework. And the homework I missed. The brutal transition from 6th grade to 7th grade. Like, it feels like you're going from kindergarten to 2nd grade in one day. That's how it feels. Okay? 6th grade wasn't a joke until 7th grade. You know how that feels, right? Oh, I'm in the lead. I'm still worthy. Okay, so let me give you some backstory on why the Wizard Wand is practically one of my favorite weapons, besides the Space Saber, which is removed. Damn it! So the Wizard Wand, I bought it in 2014. Yeah. So 2014 was a strange time. It was actually a balanced game back then. Had good maps and had good weapons. There were no tryhards. Funny. So until this weapon came, like that was 2013. I bought this in 2014 when it was reworked and everything, revamped. Had the new black skin instead of the blue one. Look, it was nice. It used to be called the Dragon Archimage Wand, I believe. So I bought this weapon in 2014, and immediately I went to the Slender Forest map, and I started camping. Okay, I was a camp. Oh, gem, no, gem. Give me the gem. Okay, I'm off topic. So I started camping in the trees. You know the red trees. The map got reworked. Just kind of sad. So it used to be like huge, much bigger. It went from extra large to just large, because they took out a bunch of stuff before they actually removed it. Sad shit. So the trees, they were bigger, I believe, back then. So like bigger spots, and they were larger. They were taller trees, and because of the fog, you could barely see anyone there, and the red glow just made it even more ominous. So I was just camping there, and the Wizard Wand back then did not have the glow or any of the particles. It was just a stale Wizard Wand. The reason there's no audio in the background, like the Wizard Wand or people dying or mass shooting or something, is because when I have the audio playing, my voice cannot be heard. I tried to record my voice talking multiple times. One time at 160 subscribers, I wanted to do a thank you video. 160 subscribers, I was going to do a voice reveal. This was before my Lego unboxing videos and stuff. I was going to do a voice reveal. Happy day. And I had the audio like all the way up. I was not an audio balancer. I do not edit my videos all the time. Mainly because I don't have the time. So you could barely hear my voice. It was like a whisper. And they just had the Pixel theme music playing in the background. And you couldn't hear my voice at all. My voice was in the background. Not the theme music, my voice. So you could barely hear it. And I was not going to be one of those kids. Not one of those kids, you know what I mean? Those who have the horrible audio balancing, no. No way. So I did not do the video. I kept on doing my daily talk to the chat. Hope my fans or whoever the hell is watching the video actually gets what I'm trying to say. Doesn't click off. Tap off, whatever the hell you use these days. You know, this weapon is annoying. What is it? Like the charge weapon. Like the Sly Wolf. Sly Wolf. You know the shield thing where if you don't have any teammates, this jerk is just gonna annihilate you before anything happens. Before you can react, actually. See? Did you see that? He has a shield. Okay? Penetrated that because I'm a pro. He has a literal shield. And I cannot do anything against it. Oh, well, my pet can. Why is my pet better than me? I cannot penetrate it at all. And when he's done charging, he can just plow me over. Like, literally. I'm not saying it, but... you know, you get what I mean. He's just gonna. You saw how he just attempted to ram. So one of my teammates. How do I say this? Die, please. Thank you. And they have nothing. You just wait behind the shield that you cannot destroy or disable. Charge up, and if they do not get the hell out of the way, they are going to perish right there. It's not like Star Wars Battlefront 2. Where you can destroy the shield. You cannot. You just have to get out of the way. That's it. Oh, see, did you see that? Did you see that? Die. Young man. Young man. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Young man. Or whatever the hell this e-girl is. Stupid Minecraft skins are always... traumatizing me. Just want to play some Mineplex and these idiots are here ruining the chat. Come on, let me speak to my friends. I don't want to hear your over-sexualized talk. Use party chat. Seriously. Just want to talk with my friends on Mineplex clans and all I hear is this horrible stuff that I do not want to hear actually. Please, no. Right. Die, please. Die. Thank you. Why the hell has this happened to me? I shouldn't be complaining. I have 24 more kills than everyone else. Right, so that was just a quick audio test. I hope you guys enjoyed. Probably didn't. If you did, smash the like button. Just press the like button, please. It takes half a second. And it really boosts my self-esteem. I don't have any at this point. It's very hard times. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Press the like button. Wait a minute. Hold the phone. Is that the flaming volcano? It is! Wow. The snowy mountains. I will not be using that. What's in the trader's van? Oh. Isn't this the weapon that gave protection from burning? Shit. Sheep cauldron? No, how could you? Just kill a sheep. Exquisite bagpipes. That's totally not a reskin. Sparkling Hydra. That's a new one. That looks nice. Nice. And it was at these times that I wish I could just buy something. Yeah. So that's all for today. See you later.